There are a lot of perks to remote, hybrid, and flexible work. Better Meetings isn't one of them. If you're feeling stuck in a tangled web of one-way presentations, confusing messages in docs, and energy-draining meetings, the solution is Mural, where ideas come to life, meetings are inclusive, and teams innovate faster. Now you can accomplish all kinds of things that you can't with an office whiteboard. No design skills needed. Toss text and images onto a digital canvas. Pull in icons, emojis, and GIFs to show how you really feel. Build diagrams to connect ideas and map processes. Even set a timer and take anonymous votes. No decision paralysis here. Share feedback with sticky notes and comments. Then drop confetti to celebrate wins together. And here's the best part. Every voice can be seen, whether your team is remote, distributed, async, or still figuring it out. So start your meetings from a blank slate, or save time with one of Mural's hundreds of templates. You can even tap experts to create custom workshops and plays, all designed to help you and your team shine at work. Mural transforms teamwork, because work isn't a place, and it's definitely not a meeting. Work is everything we accomplish together. Put imagination to work with Mural.